In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to rename your design in Canva. To get started, open Canva on your device and make sure you're signed into your account. Once you're inside Canva, go ahead and open the design you want to work on. This can be any project, such as a presentation, social media post, document, or any other file you've already created. Make sure the design is fully open in the editor, so you can access all of the controls at the top of the screen. After your design is open, look towards the upper right corner of the Canva editor. In that area, you'll find the current name of your design. This is the title Canva has assigned to the file, or the name you may have used previously. Click on that name to begin editing it. If it doesn't open immediately, just click carefully once again and wait for the text field to become active. Now, change the name to whatever you want your design to be called. Choose a title that makes it easy for you to recognize later, especially if you have many projects saved in your Canva account. A clear and specific file name can help you stay organized and save time when you need to find the design again in the future. For example, you might use a name based on the project type, topic, or date, depending on how you like to organize your work. Once you've entered your new name, Canva usually saves the change automatically. You typically don't need to press a separate save button, which makes the process quick and simple. After renaming it, you can continue editing your design as usual, and the updated title should remain attached to that file. If you're doing this for organization purposes, it's a good habit to rename your designs as soon as you create them. That way, instead of ending up with generic file names, you'll have a cleaner and more manageable workspace. And that's it. Opening Canva, accessing your design, and updating the name from the upper right corner is all you need to do. It's a very simple change, but it can make a big difference in keeping your projects easy to manage.